YouTube is an awesome thing. These days, when we go out to the trees and somebody can see pick up on a bit of a mistake or whatnot, it's nice to get those comments and actually, you know, try and help the tree industry and the climbers be just that little bit more safe. I was picked up on the way that I connected this SRS sling, and the way that I did it was I put this through here, but what I've been told recently is to push this bit here through here, attach it up nice and tight and use it more like this. So if there was an accident up there and the SRS rope actually broke off a limb or whatnot and the climber fell, this wouldn't actually cut through itself here. So living's learning and learning's living. This is the right setup. Could I please have the rope there, Harry? Thanks, mate. Connect your gree in like this. Now the reason we use a gree is because if there's an accident up in the tree, the ground crew can actually grab hold of the little lever here and lower the climber to the ground. It's a very good idea, I think. Connect that to there. Give that a big jerk, Harry. That's it. So here we have the setup, the complete setup. Nice and safe now that it's through the ring, although the other way probably would have been okay, but I'm not going to go with probablys. This is definitely the way to do it. So make sure you always tie your knot in the end there, just so the rope can't pass through the gree. This is safe. It can only ever get to there. So if you want to see this system in action, make sure you click on the Monster Tree 3, the Dead Monster video that we recently released, and you'll see this system at work. If you'd like to get your hands on one of these Rope Logic slings, then go into my descriptions and click on the Ace Tree Shop link. Anyhow, till next time, see you later.